Make money online with this video. Many people are struggling to make money or just want to work for themselves. Unfortunately, many people have no idea of how to make this wish come true. The best option is earning money online. This video will help you learn some basic information about it. One convenient way to make money online is to start writing. There are many different sites that will pay you to create content for various people. If you have done well in writing courses before, this could be ideal for you. You can get paid to write blog posts and more. Thoroughly review any online site before you give them any type of commitment or information. While there are numerous opportunities to make money from behind a monitor, unfortunately there are quite a few scammers out there. Know who owns a site, make sure the site is secure and see what others have to say about it first. If you intend to make money online, join at least one forum first. There is a lot to be learned, and you can do so from other people's mistakes, rather than having to make your own. Introduce yourself, ask questions and make connections too. Networking for online money-making situations can turn into very lucrative jobs. If owning your own blog is a bit too time-consuming, but you would still like to write and earn money, think about creating videos for existing blogs. There are a number out there, including weblogs and PaperPost. With a little research and a bit of initiative, you could get set up with one of these sites and start earning money in no time. As you can see, making money online is truly possible. After watching this video, you have all the knowledge you need to begin today. Many are doing it. Why can't you? Do your research and determine which options are viable, and then go from there. Student loan.